Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing good so far. It's an early morning for me. So I just wanted to do a quick video, and this one has to do with the huge recall. I did a video on it about a month ago, the sticking steering wheel. It affects a lot, like the CRV, the Civics. I think there's some Integras on there. And when it first came out, they had to disassemble like the steering rack. It was a big process, and then they usually had to reline the car when they do that. And so Honda simplified it. So now it's just a pack of grease and a little spring, and they can just go underneath the car and install that new spring and pack more grease in there. So it's a lot simpler process to actually fix it. And I've seen a lot of people say they're having it done. It takes like an hour. So that's the good thing about it. But the bad thing is, and we're actually going through this ourselves with our CRV that we have. So we've noticed the steering wheel was really tight, and I thought it was just designed like that, but it was really heavy to turn. And then so we got the letter and all that, and I double checked the VIN, and it is one of the ones that is affected. So I still have to go get that done. But I wanted to give you guys some more information about it, and you might be having this because it seems like a common problem as well. But so our vehicle, the CRV, when you turn it, the steering wheel would click. You'd hear a little clicking sound when you go either to the right or left. And as you turn it, you'd hear that creaking, more of a creaking sound, I guess. It would increase as you kind of crank it. So I thought that was to do with the recall, but it doesn't. After talking to different technicians, and then also I've seen a lot of good posts about it on Facebook, that's something totally different, since the spring they're replacing just makes the steering wheel not as tight. So that's the main thing with that. So if you're having the steering problem, you definitely have to get that taken care of if yours is one of the affected ones. But if you have any noise coming from your steering wheel, so as you turn it, you can hear creaking inside, like where the airbag is. Don't assume that when you get the recall done, that's gonna fix it. Because I did. I thought it was gonna fix that. So I was gonna make one appointment, but then they were saying that that's something totally different. And then people online were saying that a lot of times it's a bad cable reel in there. So as you turn it, it kind of binds, and you could hear it like getting tension. That's kind of the best way I can describe it. As you turn it, you can feel like the tension, and you can hear it creaking. And as you turn it a little bit more, it creaks a little bit louder. So we had this problem, and then they took off the airbag, put grease on it, I think on the cable reel, and it was perfect, nice and quiet, and it lasted about 3 weeks. And now it's doing the same thing. So that was like a Band-Aid that they did. And then I'm researching, and people said that you have to get a new, I think, clock spring or cable reel replaced because it's bad. By making that sound, it kind of binds. So I just wanted to give you guys information. If you guys are having any noise in your steering wheel, no matter if it's a Integra, Civic, whatever car it is, don't assume that the recall will take care of it, because that has nothing to do with it, since they go underneath the car to replace that little spring. So it'll be something else. So I'm going to make an appointment to get the recall done, and then I will let you guys know exactly what they did. But I'm pretty sure, knowing from previous cars I've had, that the cable reel does make that sound. If it's faulty, it'll make a binding noise. So again, I just want to give you guys a heads up so you don't waste your time going to the dealer, getting the recall done, thinking it's gonna be like how it should have been, nice and quiet and smooth and not nearly as tight. And then you get it back and it still makes noises. And like I said, I'm saying it because it seems like there's a lot of vehicles like the Civic, Integra, CRV, HRV that have noises in the steering wheel that have bad clock springs or cable reels. So it's not like kind of like a one-off problem. It seems like a common thing. So at least this way you can take it in and hopefully make an appointment and get everything taken care of, so you're not wasting your time going back and forth to dealership, because we know that can be a drag and make you kind of not enjoy your car as much too. So again, I just want to bring that to your attention. Let me know in the comment section if you've had yours replaced, the cable reel, if yours has been making noises, because like I said, it seems like a very common problem what I'm seeing on the internet. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.